Introducing the 2023 Volvo C40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-Door Auto in sleek grey. This electric beauty boasts a spacious estate body style, loaded with top-tier comfort and safety features for a luxurious driving experience. Cruise in style with air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and more. Feel secure with ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. Plus, enjoy the convenience of auto handbrake, parking assistance, and collision alert. With advanced technology like wireless charging and emergency call, this Volvo is truly ahead of its time. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer's specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.